My name is Urmila Vikas Nivamune. Today's date is 31st of January 2022 and today's topic is OOP. So let's come to our topic, that is OOP. OOP stands for Object Oriented Language or Object Oriented. OOP is nothing but related to the classes and object. Object is nothing but real time entity. It can be anything which of our surroundings. So there are many advantages of using OOP, like reusability, maintainability, uh, easier to understand, easier to format the code, or uh, etc. So there are many concepts under OOP. So let's come to that. Before understanding OOP concept, we'll see what is class and object, because whole OOP is surrounded by class and object, as class and object are core of OOP. So what is class? Class is nothing but an entity which is used to encapsulate the data, methods, and that data and methods states the behavior of class. And object is nothing but a blueprint of class. If class is template, then we can create multiple objects of a single class, and we can use properties of class by using objects. In Java, there is one method known as main method. To run or execute every Java program, we have to call main method. That means every program's execution starts with main method. So reusability is a key feature or important feature of OOP, and reusability can be achieved by using inheritance. Inheritance is an important concept or subpart of OOP. So let's see what is inheritance. Inheritance is nothing but deriving properties of another class, deriving all the properties of another class by extending that class, and achieving uh, its any class own properties as well as its parent class properties. Inheritance is just like parent child relation. Suppose there is one parent class. In parent class there are some methods and variables, and there is one child class. Also child class have its own variables and methods. By extending parent class into child class, we can access the methods and variables of parent class as well as its child class. So this is all about inheritance. There are uh, 4 to 5 types of inheritance, like single inheritance, multi-level inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, etc. Multiple inheritance is not supported in Java. So next concept is abstraction. Abstraction means only declaring or defining the method in order to uh, give body for that methods. We have to declare another class, and we have to define the body or write the body of any class. Abstraction, that means hiding the data, hiding the unnecessary data from user and showing only those data which is used or usable for user. We can create abstract class and abstract method by using abstract keyword as prefix for any class or any method. So encapsulation is also important concept of OOP. Encapsulation means wrapping up data into a single unit. Then next one is polymorphism. And polymorphism means one class have many forms. That means a single class, suppose run is a class, then there are multiple methods for rabbit run, cat run, etc. uh, so that is all about OOP. Thank you.